I'm gonna describe this little girl in Arabic. She's the most spontaneous girl. When she's happy and she loves you, she says, I love you. And when she's angry and she doesn't love you in that moment, she will tell you, I'm angry with you. I don't love you anymore. So she was doing that a moment ago, and I said to my sister, اللي بقلبها عراس لسانة. اللي بقلبها عراس لسانة, I'm gonna break it down and say it slowly, means whatever is in her heart is at the tip of her tongue. Show me your tongue. Fais comme ça. Okay. So, li بقلبها, whichever is in her heart. Li بقلبها. Li بقلبها. ع means on. راس لسانة. راس literally means head. In Arabic we say the head of the tongue, not the tip of the tongue. عراس لسانة, at the tip of her tongue, which means a person is very, very spontaneous. They say whatever they want to say. They don't think twice. They are spontaneous. They are very honest, and they don't hide things. اللي بقلبها عراس لسانة. And if you want to describe a guy, you say اللي بقلبه. You add the O in the end. اللي بقلبه عراس لسانة. You can even describe yourself. You can say اللي بقلبه with the A in the end. عراس لسانة. Sorry about the background noise. Yalla, bye. Bye.